Welcome to ContentRyte Platform, the world's first AI site intelligence writer that learns about your site DNA, first before writing a single word on your site. So let's quickly continue. Learn how to connect your WordPress site to ContentRyte in minutes. Click Add a WordPress site to begin setup. If you already have a WordPress site, then you can plug in your own WordPress site details and set up an application password. But if you don't have one right now, you can create a test site for yourself from TasteWP for free. Just click Open TasteWP to launch your demo site. Click Set It Up to configure your site. Click your site URL to open it. Click OK, got it to continue. Click Dismiss to close the notification. Now you need to pay attention closely here. The WordPress site password you just got cannot be used. Instead, you need to generate an application password. Go to Users and then select Profile to create an application password. Type any name for your application password. Click Add Application Password to generate credentials. Click Copy to save your password securely. Paste your application password here. Enter your WordPress username. For this demo, since I created a user account already on tastapeta.com, so my username is fixed at Webliska. But for you, it can be displayed when you generated the fresh test site. Enter your WordPress site URL provided to you at the time of getting a test site. Click your site URL to copy it. Click Save Credential to store your connection details. Select Download the Lumen AI Writer plugin to proceed, and download our proprietary Lumen AI Writer plugin that acts as a bridge plugin to connect your WordPress site and pass on real-time data to ContentRyte Platform. And the ContentRyte Platform then uses this data, along with its Site Intelligence Suite, to plan and write content based on your website tone, previous articles and matching your writing styles, and even interlink your old articles for references. Select Add Plugin in WordPress Admin. Click Upload Plugin to add the downloaded file. Click to select the plugin zip file from your computer where you saved it. Select the file and click Install Plugin. Choose the downloaded plugin file from your computer. Click Activate Plugin to enable ContentRyte features. Select Settings to configure the Lumen AI Writer plugin to obtain Bridge token. Enable ContentRyte Bridge to connect your site. Click Save Settings to apply your changes. Click the button to copy your bridge token and be ready to paste it in ContentRyte Platform. Paste your bridge token here to authenticate. Click Connect to finalize your integration. You are done and configured completely. Now select WordPress from the list of integrations. Select Settings to verify your connection and see if your WordPress site is fully connected to the bridge plugin or not. Confirm Connected status shows your site is ready.